Hi everyone, welcome to Taslima Maya Art. Just a quick little video to show you my new products that just arrived from Florida. They're the 35 Arteza Mica powder pigments and I really can't wait to start using them. Looky here, look what arrived in the post today. I wonder what it could be. It's from my friend Shannon in Florida. So it's come straight over on a plane. Probably, or a boat, who knows. And I'm trying to get it out. Let me just try it. Whoa, okay. Whoa, what's this? Where is Fifi? Oh, I think this is for my little girls. So, we've got a couple of books which they're absolutely going to love. So, thank you so much, Shannon. They're going to love these. Oh, little storybooks and some stickers. Fantastic. Hope they don't fight over those. I'll have to split them up, I think, but fantastic. So this is what I'm really excited about. This is the Arteza mica powders and I can't wait to try them. I've heard so much about them and how glorious they are when they're mixed up as paints for pouring. So Shannon's been showing me lots of videos of her mixes. So let's see what we got here. Wow, so many colours and all the mica powder information. So let's see, bronze. Wow, that's really nice. Magenta. Looks beautiful in the sunshine here today. Raspberry red. That looks lovely. I can't wait to mix some of these up later today, hopefully. We've got Aztec gold. That looks lovely. Looks very similar to a piggy that I know. And I think there wasn't there a bubble gum. Was there a bubble gum in this? Yeah. Oh, bubble bath actually. That's really nice. That looks really lovely. Rose gold, periwinkle glow. Looks nice. Amethyst, lovely colour. Look at that. I cannot wait to get into these. So I just want to say a massive thank you, Shannon. I'm really grateful you sent these over and I can't wait to do something with them. Brilliant. Thank you so much and I'll see you later. So thank you for joining me and come back again soon to see what I do with these pigments. Bye for now.